Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to do now before the Heartopia collab between Heartopia and the dog collab, the Maltese collab. I don't remember what it's called. But basically, you will need these items for the drinks and the foods, I think. So go to the cooking store and you'll need to purchase everyday milk and coffee beans. I think that's it, but here I'll put the kind of recipe you need for it, like the ingredients, sorry. And then you'll also need to purchase seeds from Blanc. So you will need to grow strawberry, which takes such a long time to grow, so you need to do that now. And wheat. Wheat only takes 4 hours, so if you want to do that later, it's fine. But grow strawberries first, and then grow lots of wheat. So here I'm just going to go to Blanc, and I actually ran out of wheat, so I'm going to purchase that from Blanc right now. And also purchase more strawberry seeds. Okay. And that's all you need to do before the update on the 30th of April. You still have a long time, so if you're still on this event, you can do that one first, and then you can start planting strawberries and wheat. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!